Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Hi guys, welcome to Lip Bites, a series that is dedicated entirely to lipsticks. Now as you guys know, the very first episode is going to be around my favorite lip combination to wear, and I asked you guys in a poll last week on my YouTube community tab what kind of lip combination you guys want to see, and people overwhelmingly voted for a Kylie Jenner-ish shade. So this is the one that I'm going to show you guys. It's very simple. I use only two lip products, which is a lot less compared to what I generally kind of use. So if you want to find out how I got this lip shade and also how you can customize it according to your skin tone, then please keep on watching. So to actually create the Kylie Jenner lip shade, you need two types of lip colors. First one being a mid-tone brown, that is going to be the base of your lip color, and the second one being a mauvey pink or even a red if you prefer, that is going to go on top of the brown to create that Kylie Jenner shade. So the products that I'm going to be using today is a lip liner and a lip cream. For the brown base, I'm going to be using the Chambord Velvet Touch lip liner. It's a beautiful mid-tone brown. This is actually a Kylie Jenner shade in itself. As you can see, this is what the color looks like. And to go on top of it, I'm going to be using this Miss Claire lip cream. This is in the shade 58, which is like this reddish brown or like this watermelon red. I don't even know how to describe this color apart from saying that it's just gorgeous. So if you mix these two, you're going to get this. You're going to see the tutorial in a while, but first let me show you guys how you can customize this according to your skin tone. So now, according to your skin tone, you can actually customize the ratio of the colors that you use. For example, if you are on the fairer side, you can use more red or more pink, whatever color that you choose, and less brown. And if you are on the deeper side, then you can pick more brown and less of the pink. So it kind of balances out and looks more like the Kylie Jenner shade that you see on my lips.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Now when it comes to my preference, I like going it with more brown because I just like how brown lipsticks look against my skin tone. But like I said, you can adjust it however you want. But essentially, to create the Kylie Jenner shade, you just need a mid-tone brown and you need a mauvey pink or a slightly reddish pink, red, whatever color you choose. So that is it for the very first episode of Lip Bite. Lip Bite is generally going to be short because I essentially only show you guys my favorite lip combinations to wear. Some videos will be slightly longer where I discuss some topics, of course, related to lipsticks. But this is it for the very first episode. Let me know what you guys thought about this episode, if you guys like the lipstick combination I showed you guys, and whatever other thoughts you have in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!